This is your host, Nathan Gardner, and this is Don't Be a Dumbass, Let's Microwave It. Today we have a special thing. Getting rid of the old game error. Let's get rid of this WII. And my first microwave. Press start. Get a few sparks. It's making a terrible zzz sound. You guys hear that? If it's smoking. It's starting to smell terrible. I don't think it's doing much. Oh, there we go. It's smoking. Something inside of it's happening. Yeah. That does not sound good, guys.
He's got a phone too.
Cool.
Got a new phone.
Alright, we have assistants now. Cool, man. Alright, go back there.
So we're gonna see if it blows up. So you're actually testing this experiment.
Yeah. See if anything happens.
If it blows up, it's gonna blow up the microwave too.
Yeah, it's a shitty $5 microwave I got at Goodwill. Starting to smoke. You can come over here.
Okay. But if it just blows up inside there, I want to take a video of it.
What?
Yeah, he's gonna get on his camcorder. Look.
This looks like it's.
This caution. This is Spartan. It's just dude kicking him down. Camcorder.
Ooh, tastes good, don't it?
Dude, it's smoking like crazy. Oh, crap.
It caught fire. Alright.